Edo unboxing official. Today I'm gonna unbox this VGR Foil Shaver with the model number V399. As you can see, it's a very simple and something different box, you know. See that? And this one you can take out, you know, very different. And this foil shaver got 1.5 hours charging time, and from the 1.5 hours charging time, you got 60 minutes operating time. You know, got 2 foil head shaver. One is for the beards and one is for the head. You know, and got also 700 milliamp battery with LCD display. You know, so I guess nothing else written here. So now let's open it up, man. So this is it. This is the second one. So we're gonna talk about that. You know, we got a charging cable. We got this little bag, traveling bag or something like that, with VGR logo on it, which is good. And we got a cleaning brush. And we got a manual. Okay. So put everything together again. It's a little bit difficult to take out. It's a very simple packaging, which is good. Sorry. So this is the foil shaver. See that? One is for the head and the other one is for the beards. So I don't really know. I need to read the manual, which one is for the beard and which one is for the head, you know. So this is it, guys. And the charging port. So okay, this one is for the hair and this one is for the beard. See that? It's written. Okay. Yeah. And I was testing it. It's not bad. It's not bad. So let's make a sound check. See this? It's 100%. But I was charging it already. And in case if you want to change this head, you need to, you know, see that? If maybe you want to pull it from this side also, you know. So you need to take it from one side, you know. Okay. And this is it. See that? Okay. So let's make a RPM test. So first I'm gonna make without this cover. Okay. Okay, let me also check with this cover if maybe they are the same, you know. Okay, and I got a video that I shot a little bit long ago, I guess a month ago or something like that, when I newly received it from VGR. So